Hello and welcome to this video on AI marketing. In today's digital world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their marketing strategies and gain a competitive edge. One of the most exciting developments in recent years has been the emergence of AI-powered marketing tools. In this video, we'll explore what AI marketing is, how it works, and its potential benefits for businesses. What is AI marketing? AI marketing is the use of artificial intelligence technology to optimize and automate marketing processes. This includes everything from data analysis and customer segmentation to content creation and ad targeting. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. How does AI marketing work? AI marketing works by using machine learning algorithms to analyze data and make predictions based on that data. These algorithms can learn from past marketing campaigns, customer behavior, and other data points to predict which marketing tactics are most likely to be successful in the future. What benefits of AI marketing? There are several benefits to using AI marketing for businesses. One of the most significant benefits is the ability to deliver personalized marketing experiences to customers. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can create customized product recommendations, email campaigns, and even website experiences that are tailored to each customer's preferences and needs. Another benefit of AI marketing is that it can save time and money. By automating marketing processes, businesses can free up resources that can be used for other activities. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries 24/7, reducing the need for human customer service agents. AI marketing can also help businesses to stay competitive by identifying new marketing opportunities and predicting trends before they happen. By analyzing data from multiple sources, AI algorithms can identify patterns and insights that humans would miss, allowing businesses to stay ahead of the curve. Potential challenges of AI marketing? While there are many benefits to using AI marketing, there are also potential challenges that businesses need to be aware of. One of the biggest challenges is the risk of data privacy breaches. As businesses collect and analyze more customer data, there is a risk of that data being compromised or misused. It is essential for businesses to have robust data security measures in place to protect customer data. Another challenge is the risk of relying too heavily on AI algorithms. While AI can be a powerful tool, it is not infallible, and there is always a risk of bias or error in the algorithms. Businesses need to be aware of these risks and ensure that they are using AI marketing tools in a responsible and ethical way. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI marketing is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform the way businesses market their products and services. By using AI-powered tools to automate and optimize marketing processes, businesses can deliver personalized marketing experiences to customers, save time and money, and stay ahead of the competition. By using AI marketing tools in a responsible and ethical way, businesses can harness the power of AI to improve their marketing strategies and drive growth. Which AI products can help you grow your AI marketing strategy? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to revolutionize marketing as we know it. But with so many AI products available, it can be difficult to know where to start. In this part, we'll explore some of the top AI products that can help you grow your AI marketing strategy. The first AI product that can help you with AI marketing is IBM Watson. Watson is a powerful AI platform that can analyze large amounts of data to generate insights and predictions. With Watson, you can analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and personalize your marketing efforts. The second AI product that can help you with AI marketing is Conversica. Conversica is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you generate leads and nurture customer relationships. With Conversica, you can automate your email and SMS marketing campaigns and respond to customer inquiries in real time. The third AI product that can help you with AI marketing is Hootsuite Insights. Hootsuite Insights is an AI-powered social media monitoring tool that can help you track your brand's reputation, monitor your competition, and analyze social media conversations. With Hootsuite Insights, you can stay on top of the latest trends and engage with your customers in real time. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many AI products that can help you grow your AI marketing strategy. By using AI to analyze data, generate insights, and automate your marketing efforts, you can save time and resources, and increase your ROI. So why not explore these AI products today and see how they can help you take your marketing to the next level?